Hello, namaste guys, namaste people who have been following me. Subscribe to my channel guys. I have a new amplifier and I'm gonna do the unboxing of this, and it's quite a popular, and most of the people, even the professionals, have it on the shelf. So without any further delay, I'm gonna unbox and maybe do the first impression. So let's go. You can see this. It's a brand new Boss KATANA 100 MK2. This is the second version with the 100 watts, and let's start the unboxing. Oh my god, that's a nice sound. This version is with the 112 speaker, not with the 212. I don't like 212s because I need to carry it to the gig in a scooter. Quite nice packaging, I think. So the story about why I bought this is I had an orange 35 RT, which is a solid state amp. Quite good, very simple amplifier, and compact as well. But I sold it. I got quite decent price for that, and the amplifier was almost brand new. Oh my god, it's kind of heavy. It's heavy. I didn't think that it would be this much heavier. So what else do we get in the box? Let me remove this sponge protector. So nothing much, I think. Just a power cable, which is kind of length wise, it's around 6 feet, I guess. And also you get a Boss KATANA owner's manual, which is kind of an important thing if you are like it's a digital amplifier, by the way, and you have lots of features, and you can do more connecting it to a laptop and downloading the software. I'm not sure what's the particular name for the software. You can download different patches and save it. This 100 watt has can be saved around 8 channels after the update. Okay, so keeping things aside, let's just see the amplifier itself. Oh my god, smell test. Smells like a nail polish. So let me see, this kind of a really good minimal kind of a design with just Boss branding and 4 screws. This one looks like a samurai to me. The logo. So this thing is, the handle doesn't go down, it just comes up. I think in my Orange it used to sit flat on here, and when you pull it, it used to come out. So what's written here is award-winning katana, now upgraded with over 60 fully customizable effects available. Also the Boss famous pedals. This emulates the sound as well on the effects section. I still have to get used to all the features, which I'll be doing it later. So I think we gotta stop the unboxing video now, and maybe the sound check would be the next video I will put on the YouTube. And I really like how I see this. I just want to show you this. This looks really cool to me. All the controls are here, the power and all these things, which is an added benefit if you get 100 watts, like the effects loop, the line out, which is something that was missing in my Orange, power amp. You can use a pedal for this directly. The foot switch is in the 50 watts as well. So what I wanted to show you is this one, the speaker. Look at how beautiful the sticker is, and it says that the speaker is a very good quality, not like the normal ones. Very good one. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna stop this unboxing video, and I would like to request you for liking this video and subscribing to my channel, as I'll be putting more of the product reviews that I feel that I purchase, and that would be genuine as well. So thank you. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.